Hi guys, how are you doing? Today I'm here with the pepperoni pizza recipe, a love of everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make pepperoni pizza perfectly like restaurants. With very little effort, you can make it anytime and enjoy it. So let's get straight towards the video. First of all, I've taken an empty bowl. I'm gonna pour 1 cup water into it. With that, I'm taking 1 tablespoon sugar. I'm gonna add it into the water, and 1.5 tablespoon yeast, and I'm gonna add that as well in the water. With that, I'm taking a little bit of salt. You can add it according to your taste, and I'm gonna mix it with the help of a spoon and mix until the sugar is dissolved into the water properly. You can see everything is dissolved properly, and I'm taking 4 cup all-purpose flour or 500 grams, and I'm adding it into the water. That is a mixture of yeast, sugar and salt. I'm gonna mix it quite well. You can just use your hands to mix it. It's the dough stuff. So I'm gonna take the help of my hands. I'm gonna mix the dough until it's turned out to be like the doughy structure. We can also add water with the passage of time, the water we needed, the amount of water we needed, and you can see the dough has turned out to be ready. Not yet the dough, but the mixture of dough, and we're going to knead it well so the dough is completely ready. Knead it until the dough turns out to be smooth from each side. After kneading, we're going to place it aside for like 3 to 4 minutes and cover it with the help of a plate or a lid. With that, I've taken a baking tray. I'm gonna place some oil onto it and gonna spread it quite well. You can also take a brush to spread the oil. I'm doing it with my hand. There are brushes available on any online store. So with that, I've taken the dough. I'm gonna spread it all over the tray. As you can see, it's the pizza base, and once you're gonna spread all the pizza base onto the tray, we're going to take a fork and gonna place dots with the help of a fork on the base, and yeah, that's it. Once it's done, we're going to take some ketchup and gonna spread it all over the dough, and gonna take a spoon to spread it quite well. Well, you can also take brush, as I mentioned before. It's available on any superstore or online store. So I'm gonna spread it all over the pizza dough or the base. I've taken about 2 to 3 spoons of sauce. I mean the ketchup. You can also use pizza sauce or like chili sauce, whatever you like. And I've spread it with the help of a spoon. While I'm spreading the sauce, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you'll see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated with my latest videos. Let's move towards the next procedure. We're going to add some of the mozzarella cheese onto it and a little bit of oregano as well if you like it. I'm going to place mozzarella cheese. I've taken it and crushed it quite well. You can increase or decrease the quantity of mozzarella cheese according to your liking. Some people like more mozzarella cheese, they can add more. Some people like less mozzarella cheese, they can add less. Or even if you want to use cheddar cheese or pizza cheese instead of mozzarella cheese, you can replace it. It's your liking. Whatever you like, you can increase it or decrease it or change it. Now it's time to add pepperoni on the top of the pizza, and the topping is done. And our pizza is almost already done after the topping of pepperoni. Just the baking left and our pizza would be ready to eat. And the topping is almost done. Now I'm going to place it into a oven, my pizza, and we're going to go. And that's good to go. Ready to bake. Now I'm going to place it into the oven for like 160 degrees for 15 to 30 minutes. It depends. If the dough is baked within 15 minutes, it's already done. And if it takes 30 minutes, then you can just change it. And now our pizza is completely done. and we're going to cut it into slices and gonna eat it or present it in front of guests. You can eat it with sauce or ketchup or like the chili sauce or garlic sauce, whatever you like, and that's all. And you can also eat it at lunchtime, dinner, anytime. Give it to your children to school and they're going to love it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and remember to try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment down below that how do you like this recipe. And if you have any suggestions for my channel, let me know in the comment section as well. Till then, goodbye. I'll come with new recipes and new videos. And remember to suggest me new recipes and new videos. Have a nice day. Goodbye.